Hello, I am Shriji. Welcome to Anya Education Guide. Today we are going to discuss the next part of the Indian Constitution. Part 1 of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union and its territory. It includes Articles 1 to 4, which lay down the structure and territorial organization of India. Here's a detailed overview of Articles 1 to 4. Article 1. Name and territory of the Union. 1. NDIA, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. This establishes the official name of the country as both India and Bharat. 2. The states and the territories thereof shall be as specified in the first schedule. The first schedule of the Constitution lists all the states and union territories of India. 3. The territory of India shall comprise the territories of the states, the union territories specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired. Article 2. Admission or establishment of new states. Parliament may by law admit into the Union, or establish, new states on such terms and conditions as it thinks fit. This grants Parliament the power to admit new states into the Union of India or establish new states and determine the terms and conditions for their admission. Article 3. Formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries, or names of existing states. Parliament may by law form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states or parts of states or by uniting any territory to a part of any state. Increase the area of any state. Diminish the area of any state. Alter the boundaries of any state. Alter the name of any state. No bill for the purpose of this article shall be introduced in either House of Parliament except on the recommendation of the President and unless, where the proposal contained in the bill affects the area, boundaries, or name of any of the states, the bill has been referred by the President to the legislature of that state for expressing its views thereon within such period as may be specified in the reference or within such further period as the President may allow and the period so specified or allowed has expired. This ensures that any changes to state boundaries or names require both presidential recommendation and the opinion of the state legislature concerned. Article 4. Laws made under Articles 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of the first and fourth schedules and supplemental, incidental, and consequential matters. 1. Any law referred to in Article 2 or Article 3 shall contain such provisions for the amendment of the first schedule and the fourth schedule as may be necessary to give effect to the provisions of the law and may also contain such supplemental, incidental, and consequential provisions, including provisions as to representation in Parliament and in the legislature or legislatures of the state or states affected by such law, as Parliament may deem necessary. 2. No such law as aforesaid shall be deemed to be an amendment of this Constitution for the purposes of Article 368. This clarifies that laws made under Articles 2 and 3, which may involve changes to the first and fourth schedules, do not constitute amendments to the Constitution as per Article 368, thus streamlining the process for territorial changes. Article 5. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. This article has been repealed by the Citizenship Amendment Act, 1986. These articles collectively establish the federal structure of India and outline the procedures for altering the boundaries and names of states and territories.